What's that? Look.
What colour's your nose, honey?
White.
White. Hi friends, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Wednesday everyone. Ngayon ay alauna ng hapon and Daddy Mike and I are going on our lunch break. And yeah, we decided na we will go together kasi yung ating baby girl today ay nasa childcare pala. I managed to take her to childcare today. And she seems to be having fun. I think we're getting a lot of updates from the childcare. And yan, the last update 5 minutes ago was Paris had sunscreen applied. Yes guys, kasi naglalaro sila sa labas. And that's the reason as well guys why we're going out. Maglalakad-lakad kami papuntang shops kasi it says it's currently 21 degrees. And alam nyo na, dito sa Melbourne, madalang lang kami magkaroon ng araw na ganyan. And it's also sunny guys, kaya alis kami ni Daddy Mike. Anyways, I am going to share with you our positive quote of the day. Kasi paghapon na guys, nakakalimutan kong i-share. Kaya i-share ko na siya. Ito yung nabunot ko guys. It says, something amazing is going to happen to me today. I'll claim that one. And si Daddy Mike pala guys, ay nanonood ng kanyang basketball. Kaya nandyan siya, oh, very sexy. Daddy! Who's winning?
Denver, which we picked.
Yes?
And Miami won, which we also picked.
Si Daddy Mike talaga, pag, anong tawag ito, pag wala si Paris, yung pinapanood niya dito sa YouTube, sa TV namin, ay always basketball, yung mga NBA news, yung mga ganun. He's really into that.
NBA trades.
Yeah, NBA trades, yung mga ganun. Marami na siya buwang. Addict siya sa basketball. Anyways, we're gonna make a move na, Daddy. Because time is ticking. Even though sunny siya guys, magdadala pa rin ako ng jacket kasi dili ko kumpiyansa sa among weather diri sa guys, sa Melbourne, mandilin lang. Dito tayo daan guys, malapit sa park. Hindi kami dumadaan dito kapag kasama namin sa Paris kasi obviously alam niyo naman ang ating baby girl gustong maglaro agad sa playground. Pero pag kami lang dalawa, okay kami dito. Tingnan niyo si Daddy Mark guys, oh. Naka-shirt, naka-shorts, and si mami niyo ay naka-jacket. Naka-jogging pants. Iba talaga kami ni Daddy Mike guys. Si Daddy Mike kasi, he grew up in Darwin. So yung Darwin kasi, it's very mainit. Like it's mas mainit pa sa Pilipinas. Daddy, isn't that right? Is Darwin hotter than Philippines? Kaya si Daddy Mike guys, sanay talaga yan siya sa mainit talaga na weather. So ngayon, pag ganito dito sa Melbourne 21, para sa kanya, mainit na yun. Kaya he can't wait to move to Brisbane. So we mentioned before guys na mag-move kami sa Brisbane, right? But for me, talaga Brisbane is Brisbane. Pero kay Daddy Mike guys, gusto niyang mag-move sa Gold Coast. Yes, Daddy? If ever na mag-move kami ng Brisbane, yung office kasi namin is malapit sa city, doon sa sa Brisbane. Kaya sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, hindi ako mag-move ng Gold Coast kasi sobrang layo yung drive. And I just can't be bothered guys, yung drive na mahaba ba, especially na na-experience ko na siya before. And also, Paris still goes to childcare, yung ganon, so I need to drop and I need to pick up Paris. Kaya sabi ko na hindi talaga convenient sa akin yung Gold Coast. And the reason pala guys kung bakit niya gusto talaga yung Gold Coast is yung beach. Kasi if you know Gold Coast guys, very well known talaga yan sa mga beaches nila ganon. And Daddy Mike is a beach lover. Kaya yun. So sabi ni Daddy Mike guys, okay, so yung proposal niya sa akin guys is that kasi he knows how much I love walk-in wardrobe. I love walk-in wardrobe guys. Gusto ko lang ng walk-in wardrobe. Lahat naman siguro ng mga babae gusto ng walk-in wardrobe. So sabi niya sa akin na okay, let's move to Gold Coast, I'll give you your walk-in wardrobe.
Walk-in wardrobe. 1. Brand new car. 2. And wedding 2021 free. And I also won rock scissors paper, just to confirm that.
Oh yeah. So yun yung sabi niya, guys. I'm gonna buy you a brand new car. I'll get you I'll make sure that the house daw na yung bibili namin ng bahay ay my walk-in wardrobe. And also yung ano nga daw, yung wedding namin sa 2021. And then nagbato-bato pick kami, guys. Tapos siya yung nanalo.
4 or 5 bedrooms. Ay, ay, ay.
Natawa talaga ako, guys, kasi sabi ko, no, I still wanna live in Brisbane. sobrang natawa ako, guys, kasi hindi ko akalain na sasabihin niya yun. Kasi sa isip ko, guys, sabi ko sa kanya, even though hindi ako papayag na sa Gold Coast kami tumira, I know the wedding is still going to happen. I know that.
But you lost the bet, so that doesn't matter.
No. So I know the wedding is going to happen. I know that we're buying a car. And if ever man, guys, na yung bahay na mabibili namin in Brisbane has got no walk-in wardrobe, I am fine with that, guys. I can live with that. Kasi katulad dito ngayon sa bahay namin, guys, wala naman kaming walk-in wardrobe. Yung ginawa ko lang, yung beauty room ko lang is yung room sana na for Paris, pero kasi si Paris is still sleeping with us, so that's why I got the room all to myself. In-offer niya sa akin lahat para lang makuha yung isang kagustuhan ko, guys, na mag-move sa Gold Coast. But anyways, he's still negotiating with me, guys. What else? Bob, what else can you offer, Bob?
No, nothing. I've already won. So
No. Maybe this working from home thing is going to be permanent now. So, sabi niya, if that's going to happen, then we will move to Gold Coast. Kasi hindi ko na kailangang mag-drive papunta ng Brisbane sa office.
yeah.
But we'll see how it goes. Like, there's nothing, solid at the moment. So we've been looking at properties, guys, at Brisbane, and oh boy, they're actually cheaper than Melbourne. Way cheaper than Melbourne. I think yung two-bedroom house or apartments dito sa Melbourne, yung price niya is pang 3 bedrooms sa Brisbane. So yeah, cheaper talaga siya kumpara dito sa Melbourne, guys. Yeah, Daddy?
Yeah.
Brisbane properties are cheaper than Melbourne.
Yeah, so Brisbane properties and Gold Coast properties are approximately, well, in the 3-bedroom space. And sort of in the nicer areas of Brisbane, so within 10 kilometres of the CBD and along the river, you're looking at about a $300,000 to $500,000 difference.
And I just realized, guys, that I left my phone and hindi ko dinala yung wallet ko, guys. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, oh my god, I don't have money with me because I don't have my card and I lost one. I left my phone. Hindi talaga ako nagdadala ng wallet, guys, kasi yung card ko naman is nakastore na sa phone ko. So yung phone ko lang yung ginagamit ko pang tap-tap, ganun. Tapos naiwan ko yung phone ko, guys. So that means you are supporting me financially today.
Correct. The Bank of Apple.
May dumating na parcel, guys, for Daddy. Kasi wala naman ako nahintay from ASOS. Ano kayang binili ni Daddy ba? Ayun siya. Nagwo-work, pero excited na yan siya. Kasi nakita niya sa window na may truck. So guys, samahan natin si Daddy Mike na mag-unpack ng kanyang ASOS orders. What's inside, Daddy?
Let's have a look.
Okay. Did you buy something for me?
Yeah, it's coming. It's in the mail.
Should I nagpalit?
First one.
That's
like unbutton it so you show your chest. Next one, $25.
You guys, I told you Daddy Mike loves clothes as well. Daddy, you have a lot of jeans already, Bob.
These aren't gonna fit for now.
Huh?
But I bought this one on purpose. very small.
And that's 38.
These are 30s.
Oh.
30 USA.
So there's another one, guys. This is darker. I like that color. Yung isa. Apat yung binili niya, guys. Ay, 5. Meron pag isa dito.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, yeah, this one's different too. This is thicker than that one. This one. Oh, 30. Ayan. I think you have one like this already, Bob. Ayan, guys. Oh. Diba? Shopping mode si Daddy Mike.
Double cheap. And last but not least.
Hala, it looks like... Is it for men?
Yeah, of course.
Hala, it looks like it's kuan man.
It's t-shirt.
Yeah, it's ribbed material. It looks like for women. Alright guys, that's it for our whole plan ni Daddy Mike. We'll get back to work. Hi guys! So it's now 5:20 ng hapon and I just finished work. And merong dumating ang ating box. Ayan, may parcel tayo na dumating from Kmart, guys. And mamaya ko na to siya i-open kasi I have to go and pick up Paris for now. Actually, kailangan ko magpagasolina before I-pick up si Paris. I can't remember, guys, yung last time na nagpagasolina ako. Kasi nga, diba, yung lakad namin ay dito lang, tapos sa shops, tapos drop and pick up Paris. Kaya walang masyadong gasto sa ating gasolina. And also, after pick upin ko si Paris mamaya, may pupuntahan kami kasi kailangan kong pick upin ang binili ko online, guys. Sa Facebook Marketplace, may binili ako na halaman. Yes, guys. Alam niyo naman kung gaano ako ka-in love sa mga halaman. Kaya tingnan niyo, ayan. Meron pa dyan. Oh, diba? Oh my God. Tingnan niyo, guys. Fuel range, 2 kilometers left. Kakarating ko lang dito sa petrol station. Munti ka na magtulak sa atin niyo, guys. Yan, perfect timing talaga. Anyways, let's go. Lagyan na natin ng gasolina ang ating sasakyan. Where's your bag?
No, Mommy.
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know? I think you do. You just have to look around. That's not your hat, honey. Someone else's hat. Just get your water bottle first.
For baby.
Yes, that's for baby. Get your water bottle first.
And get that.
Do you know where it is?
I found that.
You found it. Good job.
I was water bottle.
Is that Elwood's? Oh, nice.
It's not purple.
It's purple too. That's right. Go get your bag.
It's pink.
Oh, that's pink.
This is white.
Yeah, get your bag. Good job. Whoa. Hi, Tita. Oh, what's that?
It's that.
Say hi, Tita.
I should make it. It's making for making.
It's okay. It's Mama.
Look.
Kisses,
It's
Mama.
ready. Look, Mommy. Look, Mommy. Look.
Shush,
Look.
Papa.
Yeah, look.
That's blue tack. Ano?
This is blue top.
Blue tack. Blue tack. Come on, let's go. It's not raining. Okay, open.
Look at me.
Look at me. Ooh. Let's go. Your friend is here. Come on. Gotta go.
It's the Alva.
That's Elwood. Come on.
That was me now.
So guys, it's now 6:16 ng gabi. Nandito kami sa harapan ng bahay ng nagbibenta ng plant. Ang ating baby girl ay naghahanap na ng kanyang daddy. Oh. Akala niya na nakauwi na kami ba? Sabi niya, let's call daddy. Sabi ko, not yet anak. Nandito kami kasi magpipick up pa kami. Nandito na ang aking $20. Ayan, oh. Binibenta niya pala for $30 guys. Pero gihanyo na ako ba? Barat din niya ang ate, oy. Ayan, 20 instead of 30. Ito na ang ating plant guys. Tingnan nyo, binigyan niya ako ng bucket kasi nga naiwan ko pala yung bucket guys sa bahay. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina ba. But ito yung plant guys. Tingnan nyo yung roots. Ang bait-bait niya kasi binigay niya sa akin yung bucket. But ito, tingnan nyo, oh, give you an idea. Ganyan yun siya kalaki. Parang dahon lang siya ba, pero may mga roots na. So I don't think it will fall down dito sa sasakyan. So I'll see. Hi, Nak! Diyan ko nilagay. Ayan, oh. I don't think it will move. Ayan. Nak, look after our plant, Nak, ha? Look after the plant, ha? Nakauwi na kami, guys. And ito ang ating plant. And ito yung plano kong paglagyan niya. But I think it's too small for it. Be? Okay? Ay, okay lang siguro, guys. No? Tingnan natin. Gagamitin ko na lang yung design water kasi okay lang naman yan. Ang ating baby girl pala ay nandito, oh. Nagsagbot-sagbot na po. Tingnan niyo, oh. Kinuha niya agad yung mga basket with the miscellaneous. Ayan. Si daddy pala, guys, ay nag-release ang kanyang closet. Ayan, oh. Inorganize niya. Nilagay niya sa hanger and, oh. Good job, daddy! And the other one, be? Ah, okay.
I'm making hollow buns.
What are you doing?
I'm making bomb.
You're making what?
I'm making bomb.
Bomb?
The worms.
Ah, worms. You're making worms.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I did this one. My parents.
Is that for Paris? Good job.
I'm gonna make worms.
Yeah. What did you eat at school today, Nak? Did you eat pasta?
No, I'm making worms.
Are you making worms? Mama's asking
This
me.
one, my one.
Oh, more worms. Okay. Ito na siya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh, malaki siya tingnan, diba? Pero okay lang naman sa...
Put in there.
Yeah, Mama will put the water in there. Help, Mommy? Carry. Carry. 1, 2, 3. Go. Wow. You putting cream on Daddy's boo-boo?
That is just a baby.
Oh. Goodbye, cream. No more cream for Mommy.
I'm putting mommy's name.
Hmm? Finish ng cream ni Mommy.
She's very scared of the tattoo, Bob.
What's wrong with the tattoo, honey?
No, mommy, I will clean the baby.
Daddy, okay? It's okay, you can rub cream on me all night if you want. What about Daddy's foot? He's got boo-boo on his foot.
Do you want some cream?
Yes, I want some cream. Not on my nails, but on my foot. And you can massage a little bit. I'll make it good. On my foot, not my toe. My foot, Bubby. My foot. Good girl.
My friend.
Tingnan nyo ang ating leaf, guys. Oh, klarong-klaro. Sobrang taas. Maybe I need to put that somewhere. No more cream for Mommy. Ma-dry na gid si Mommy. Anig sa mutnak. Magliki-liki na yung daan sa ka-dry. Hindi mo nang kusikan ang cream ni Mama.
Is that funny?
Have a look at your nose. Paris is playing with the cream, Mama's cream. Have a look. Did you put on your nose? Daddy too. Did you put on Daddy's nose?
Finish.
Fish, careful na. Matanga ka na. How about your nose? Agay, ang bilbil ni Mama nose. You can?
Papa.
Wow! Wow!
Funny.
Funny! No! No! Make my hand stick to my nose.
No. Funny.
Hi guys! So it's nearly 9 o'clock ng gabi and we are getting ready for bed. Si daddy natin ay nasa shower na and then very soon si Paris ay lilinisan na natin and we'll get her ready for bed as well. Maraming salamat guys sa patuloy na panonood ng ating mga videos and also welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And of course sa ating mga taga-subaybay na hindi nagsasawang sumuporta sa ating channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At ngayon ay magsha-shoutout na tayo guys. And the first shoutout goes to Nati Doughty. She's from Malaysia. Hello. Shoutout to Janzi Pinay, Australia. Kane Bernales, Viviel Elerio, Ibert Suta 53 from Laguna City, Rosana Mansueto, Bernadette Iscosio, Deselin Beltran, Glady Mandanhuyan, and also to her husband Rito, Cherry Ramos and family, hello. Shout out to Cherry May Ongayo, Cherry Salazar, Elsa Novales, Maria Teresa Ramos Magsisi, Lisan Bansil. Shout out to Cristel Lugsanay, Queen Survivor TV, Claudine's Kitchen, Claudine Reed, Jonah Asiron, Adia. Shout out to Lorna Tumarong, Marivic Valcorza, Charlotte Indino, and Darlene Bilacas. That's about it for today's video, guys. Sobrang saya ko lang talaga today kasi ang ating baby girl ay happy today. Never ko siyang narinig na umiyak and all, so super happy about that. I hope you enjoy our video, guys. Please don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
bye!